Hey, it's Adele from Let's Get Inkie and welcome to the Inkie July Marathon. Today we're working in my little Glimmers Traveler's Notebook. So this is just a collection of 2025 moments that made me smile, little happy moments amongst the chaos of life. And even though we're in winter now and it is very not snowy where I am, we're scrapbooking some snowy photos. They're all fake. It's all fake snow. and but you know, for the children it's still a wintry snow experience. Quick little heads up, if you are new to my channel or you've just stumbled upon this video, I have just started the Inkie July Marathon where I'm posting a video every single day on YouTube for the month of July. I posted my first one on my main channel, Inkie Quill, yesterday, and there will be some over here as well, and then also some on our vlog channel, Ramblers. So all the links are in the description if you're interested. And I also have a live stream coming up at the end of July, so July 25th. Yes, is that right? Hang on, let me check the date. No, 26th, sorry. It is July 26th at 7 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So if you're somewhere in the States or in Canada or Europe, it will probably be your Saturday the 25th, but for me it's Sunday morning. So the info for that is in the description too. Alrighty, so jumping into my journal, I had this painty bit that was on it was just an A3 loose bit of paper that I had stuck under some project that I have painted recently. And it was just too pretty to throw out, so I wanted to keep it, but I don't end up using it for this page, but the other one. I just wanted to make a tip-in of some sort, which is why I didn't use that painted bit on this particular page, because I had a few photos to stick on. And I just find that tip-ins are such an easy way to add more surface area to your journals, especially if you're someone who takes too many photos like myself. I very much take too many photos. From this one little day, we have three pages in my little Glimmers Traveler's Notebook, so definitely lots of photos to be had. So I've stuck in this project life card and I'm sticking it in with some washi because we don't trust washi ever. We always put adhesive under it when we're using it for tip-ins. I've seen so many like quick little journal reels and TikToks lately of people just slapping washi and sticking things in with it and making tip-ins that they fold over and over again. And I'm just like, oh, how long is that going to last? I don't know. I am I would say I am ultra distrusting of any adhesive. You peeps know this. And yeah, washi's the worst of all of them. So we went to the Hunter Valley Gardens, which is up here near like Newcastle area, and they had a winter wonderland set up where they had fake snow. They made an ice skating rink, and it was really cute because we definitely don't live anywhere near those things naturally occurring. You could drive a couple of hours or maybe 3 hours and reach snow, I reckon, from where I am, probably, possibly. Central Coast peeps, help me out. Is that true? Maybe Blue Mountains type way. But yes, I have never seen snow in my life, and either of the kids. So this was a first for us. And it was quite funny. The snow machine, I just totally stuffed up my washi there and peeled off a bit that peeled not properly. But the snow machine was very vicious, and my friend and I were standing at the top of the hill, and it was pelting us with almost hail-like velocity. And we were just laughing our heads off at one point, just hysterical, because we felt like we were under attack. But we had to stand up there because, you know, our children were riding and sliding down the hill. But we were just hysterical. You know, when you get the giggles and you get the gigs and you just can't stop laughing and it's just something really silly. Yeah, that was this day. So I went through recently, actually there's a video coming up. Let me have a look at my schedule. I think it is coming up next week, I think, where I am organising a lot of my Christmas supplies, and I went through a lot of the ephemera packs and got rid of all the snow things because our Christmases are very hot over here in down under Australia. And why did I say it like that? Australia. Yeah, I finally went through and took out all the mittens and the beanies and the things that we just don't use. And I had them sitting on my desk to the side because, of course, I hadn't actually found a new home for them yet. And so that's what gave me the inspo to do this little spread. Because I tried to, you will see in this page and the page that follows it, I shove on so many snow references. It's not funny. And look, I think that's okay. When it's just like, I don't go outside a lot. And so when I have outside themed embellishments, like take a hike and like nothing but the forest and trees and things like that, that I really don't like. Whenever I do scrap photos like that, I try to pile as many of them on so that they actually get used, because otherwise they just hang around in my stash too much. All right, we have a single jazz hand to show you this page, and we've got a little tip in here, Violet pulling a face while she was ice skating backwards, and then a little one of Aaron and I doing our one loop that we got to do around the rink. And so now we're going back a couple of pages to when we first arrived, and the kids spent probably a good 45 minutes in the snow, which I was surprised because having, you know, neurospices who have sensory sensitivities, I didn't know how this day would go. I was a bit trepidatious, and is that the right use of that word? I think it is. But I was just, we weren't sure. We weren't sure if we were going to stay here for 10 minutes or if they were going to actually enjoy it. And luckily they did. And so I grabbed this photo of Vi, my friend's little girl, and I just loved the two of them in their pink jackets, just looking like little snow blobs. Now this was a DIY embelly that I had made previously, but it had a wood veneer on it, and I'm trying, as she adds chunky twine to the tag here, I'm trying to keep my traveler's notebooks quite thin with my embellishments, and the wood veneer was just way too thick. So I didn't end up using that. I tried to peel off that snowflake and I couldn't. So we went with Snowman instead, but I think it works because it's got the pink beanie, which goes with the colours in the photo. I'm adding some washi tape. I went with these tickets because I thought the colours went well, and it was also, you know, a ticketed event, so worked out both ways there. And then you can never go wrong with some gold hearts or gold stars, and so I slapped some of those down the bottom here, trying to cover up a little bit of the edge of that painted paper, just so that it wasn't so edge-like. You know what I mean? Now this is my very sophisticated storage at the moment for my brush pens. It's not great. It's not great. I did take them away, and so I shoved them all in that Ziploc. They need to go back to their home, but nevertheless, they have not at the moment. So I just, what's it called? Swatched, not squashed. I Sasquatched some different textures to see which pink I wanted to use, and I went with this softish pink. And then I fight with my glue. I edited that out so you didn't have to see me fight with more adhesive than you already have to in every video. Sticking down a couple of odd snowflakes because, again, they don't belong in my Christmas stash. And then I'm going to grab a few little bits here. Winter. Just, I really wanted to shove everything on one page, and I had to show some restraint in order to not just pile it up with the embellishments. Now it's time for some journaling. So I'm outlining all of my bits. This is a new pen that I'm using. It's Pentel, I don't know off the top of my head what type it is, but it is a very lovely pen. Actually, I got a new one the other day. It is a Uniball Signo, but in a clicky RT1. I don't know if that means anything, but it's clicky. And I bought that for my Hobonichi, but it is quite smudgy, and I have smudged it a few times. So if you have a favourite black pen, I am forever on the hunt for the perfect black pen. I can never find it, so please let me know if you have one. This tiny word sticker sheet was a Christmassy one, but I had already used up all the Christmas stuff, and so it's just left with all the snowy winter cocoa words that I didn't need. And it had a lot of snow, and so we really just blasted the snow onto this little page. I'm adding a bit of stamping just off camera there, and then we're going to jazz hand. Are we? Jazz hands. There we go. And 2 little pages in my traveler's notebook done. I love this little thing. I like it because I get a bit more personal with my journaling, and it's just a different way to document things. I know I'm double scrapping photos here, but it's only the highlights of the year. Not too many, but I just think this will be a nice project for the kids to look through as well. But thanks for watching today, peeps, and I'll see you back on Inkie Quill with another video tomorrow. Bye!